Hello everyone, this is Revathi M, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this series, we discussed about the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. So today we are going to discuss role of knowledge. First, we see what is the knowledge representation. So knowledge representation is a fundamental concept in artificial intelligence because it bridges the gap between the human and machine processing. Human naturally interprets, reason and act based on the knowledge they acquire through experience and learning. However, for machines to function intelligently, they require a structured way to represent that knowledge. This is where knowledge representation. So knowledge representation is considered a core part of artificial intelligence because it directly influences an agent's ability to make decisions, reason about the world, and behave intelligently. It's not just about data storage. It's about enabling the system to infer new information, recognize patterns, and solve problems. For example, in AI system, we can use knowledge representation to diagnose a medical condition, have a conversion in natural language, or make strategy decision in a game. Next, we see what to represent in AI. In artificial intelligence, one of the fundamental aspects is determining what knowledge needs to be represented for a system to function intelligently. The first element is objects. So object means facts about objects, which refer to facts about real world entities. For example, a car has wheels or a guitar has strings. This type of knowledge allows AI to recognize and classify different items accurately. Next, we have the event. So it is an actions in the world. So event help AI understand and respond to change such as detecting motion in a security camera feed or tracking a user online activity. Next one is the important category is performance. So it means knowledge to how to do things. This procedural knowledge is essential for tasks such as navigating, playing a game, or even operating machinery. Next one is a meta knowledge. Meta knowledge is a knowledge about knowledge. It allows AI to reason about its own capabilities and choose appropriate strategy or tools for a given situation. For example, an AI may determine that it lacks enough data to make a decision and must request human input. Next one is facts. Facts, it tells about the truths about the real world. So for example, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or the sun rises in the east. So these facts are essential for logical reasoning and inference. So finally, all of this information is stored and organized in the knowledge base. So knowledge base is the central component represented as a knowledge based representation in AI. Next, we see the types of knowledge. There are 5 types of knowledge. First one is a declarative knowledge, curiosity knowledge, meta knowledge, procedural knowledge, and structural knowledge. We will see one by one. So the types of knowledge in AI is essential to understand in different types knowledge that machines must handle to make intelligent decisions. The first one is a declarative. So the declarative knowledge which refer to knowing about something. It includes facts, concepts and description. For example, Paris is the capital of France. This kind of knowledge is descriptive and stored as statement of facts that can be easily retrieved. Next one is a procedural. So the procedural knowledge which is about knowing how to do something. This includes the rules, steps and procedure needed to complete tasks like solving a mathematical problem or driving a car. The procedural knowledge enables AI system to perform actions and make decisions based on sequence and algorithms. Next one is a meta knowledge. So meta knowledge is a higher level from the knowledge. It refers to knowledge about other types of knowledge. For example, artificial intelligence may have aware that it lacks the correct data to make a decision and therefore requests user input. This type of knowledge helps machine manage and adapt their reasoning strategy. Next one is a heuristic knowledge. So it's a expert-based rules of thumb. So it might be applied to such as possible condition based on symptoms. Finally is a structural knowledge. So structural knowledge deals with understanding the relationship between various concepts or objects. So next we see the AI knowledge cycle. So the AI knowledge cycle describes the key component that enables an artificial intelligence system to function intelligently. Similar to a human, it begins with perception, which it's a retrieve from information from the environment. So this could be through sensor, cameras, microphone, or any form of input that allows the AI to observe and understand its surroundings. Next one is analyze information. So through learning, we analyze the data. The system identify pattern, gain insights, and improve its performance over time. This step is crucial for enabling adaptability and improvement without explicit reprogramming. After learning, the AI uses knowledge representation. So it represents and use knowledge to store what it knows and apply logical to make informed decision. This allowed the system to stimulate intelligent behavior by reasoning through a problem or situation using stored facts and rules. Following reasoning, next one is the phase planning. Planning is the device actions. So here AI devises a sequence of action to achieve a specific goal. This includes evaluating possible options, predicting outcomes, and selecting the most efficient or effective strategy. Finally, the execution phase. So here it performs actions in the real world. So whether it moving a robotic arm, displaying results on a screen, or sending a notification, execution is the final step where AI acts on its intelligence. Together, these 5 components from a cycle that allows AI system to continuously perceive, learn, think, plan, and act. So enabling them to behave intelligently and adaptively in dynamic environment. We come to the end of this section. I hope you enjoyed this section. Thank you.